Welcome to Satya Skills. In previous three videos, you learned the basics of regression analysis. In this video, let us try to learn how to measure regression analysis by using normal equations. That is one method, one technique. Two regression equations. Regression equations are expressed in the following way. X on y regression equation, x is equal to a plus by. Y on x regression equation is y is equal to a plus bx. These two you have to remember throughout measuring regression equations. X and y are the variables, whereas a and b are the constants. To determine regression line, value of a and b are to be obtained through normal equations. So, for x on y, that is x equal to a plus by, normal equations are sigma x is equal to na plus b sigma y, sigma xy is equal to a sigma y plus b sigma y square. These are just simple equations. For y on x, that is y equal to a plus bx, normal equations are sigma y equal to na plus b sigma x and sigma xy is equal to a sigma x plus b sigma x square. In the equation, sigma y denotes total of y series, sigma x is total of x series. Xy is the total of products multiplied by variables of x series with respect to variables in y series. And sigma x square, y square are the totals of the respect to series. N is number of items. Okay, this is the problem. From the following information, obtain two regression equations and estimate x and y. X when y value is 9 and estimate y when x is 10. This is important. That is the actual purpose of regression is these estimations. Now, now we have to solve through normal equations. For normal equations, we need sigma x, sigma y, sigma x square, sigma y square, sigma xy. Number of items means we have to count here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 is number of items. So, you have to do all these calculations, find out the totals. So, sigma x is 35, sigma y is 20, sigma x square is 255, sigma y square is 90, sigma xy is 148, n is 5. Now, substitute them in the normal equations. So, when you substitute, what you will get 35 is equal to 5. That is, now we are doing x on y, x is equal to a plus by. Here a and b can be ascertained by solving the following normal equations. So, by using normal equations only we will get the value of a and b. Now, we have to substitute values in normal equations. So, when you substitute, what you will get, sigma x is equal to na plus b sigma y, sigma xy is equal to a sigma y plus b sigma y square. So, let us put all the values. 35 is equal to 5a plus b 20 is the first equation. 148 is equal to 20a plus b 90 is the second equation. Now, you know how to solve the equations. We have to make at least one equal like a or b or something. We must make it equal to cancel easily. So, if you multiply equation 1 with 4, you will get 140 20a plus b 80. Now, while substituting all the positives become negatives, negative signs. Therefore, 148 minus 140 is equal to 8, plus 20a minus 20a get cancelled, plus 90 minus 80 is equal to b 10. Now, b is equal, that is 8 is equal to b 10. So, what is b? b is equal to 8 by 10, therefore, 0.8. So, now you got the value of b, b is equal to 0.8. By substituting 0.8, that is the value of b in the first equation, we can obtain value of a. Now, it becomes 35 is equal to 5a plus 20b. So, b is 0.8. When you multiply 0.8 into 20, you will get 16. You know that it is 0.8, not 8. Therefore, value will be 16. So, minus 5a is, you know that is equal to, you have to bring all letters one side, values other side. If you do like that, plus 5a becomes minus 5a, minus 5a is equal to 16 minus 35, minus 5a is equal to minus 19, both sides minus. Therefore, 5a equal to 19, a equal to 19 by 5, 3.6. So, a is 3.6. Now, x is equal to a plus by. So, x is equal to 3.6 plus 0.8y. This is the answer. Now, using this you can estimate the value of x. Put the value of y, they gave 9. When y is 9, estimate x means you have to put 9 here. Now, let us see y on x. Y is equal to a plus bx. A and b can be ascertained by solving the following normal equations. As usual, when you substitute, it will be 20 equal to 5a plus b 35, 148 equal to 35a plus b 255. To make it equal, you have to multiply first equation with 7. Therefore, you will get 140 equal to 35a plus b 245. When you substitute, plus 148 minus 140 equal to 8, plus 35a minus 35a get cancelled, plus b 255 minus b 245 equal to b 10 or 10b. So, b equal to 8 by 10, therefore, it is a 0.8. Now, by substituting 0.8 in the first equation, you will get 20 is equal to 5a plus 35 into 0.8. You will get 20 equal to 5a plus 28 minus 5a. When you bring 5a to this side of is equal to and take 20 to that side of is equal to, signs will change. Therefore, minus 5a is equal to 28 minus 20. So, minus 5a equal to 8, a equal to 8 by 5, that is minus 1.6. Therefore, a is equal to minus 1.6. Now, y is equal to a plus bx, y equal to minus 1.6 plus 0.86, 8x. Now, you can make estimations as asked in the problem. That you will simply use substitute, you will get the answer. That much you try to learn. Now, I am giving one homework for you, one illustration. I gave answers also. Try to find out x on y and y on x. That is all in this video. Thank you for watching. All the best.